Going to be building a 10-foot sliding gate chain link right here at this opening. We'll be taking off the dual swing gates and building a sliding gate on site. This gate is referred to as a Murphy gate. So I have the materials here and we're gonna get started. All finished up with this job, one-day job. Give you guys a look. So it's an all welded frame, used schedule 20 pipe, 1 5/8 inches. Got the front wheels. This is the locking mechanism. These are the brackets that hold this pipe, and this pipe is for the wheels. Hello. So I welded a stopper so that way the gate doesn't roll off track. So I welded that stopper, and then on the frame we saddle cut it and welded it. So it rolls pretty smooth. Then the way this locking mechanism works, it just pretty much lifts up, slides in there, and then you're able to put a padlock here. So I did tack weld these bolts, so nobody comes with some tools and takes them off, as well as those tack welded them. So opposed to putting a footing and then a track and wheels, you have this option here, and it just rolls. Did have to put some spacers because this wheel was rubbing on the frame and it wasn't rolling smoothly. So we added those spacers and it rolls pretty good now. So the customer was having a problem with the swing gates. The gates would swing this way, she would reverse. Half of her car would be on the street, and then she had to get down and close the gates, and her car had to be reversed so far so when she closed the gates it wouldn't hit her hood or whatnot. So it was just too much trouble for her, so we did this slide gate so it'll be smooth action from here on out.